Assalamualaikum and greetings to our lecturer Miss Fazila. We from MAT112 Group 8 will be presenting about our group assignment work. First of all, let me introduce our group member. First, Muhammad Faiz Azrizan bin Muhammad Rizwan. Second, Muzaffar Amanullah bin Muzaffar. Last, April Ivel Enric. So let me start our session. Hello, my name is Muzaffar Amanullah bin Muzaffar. Now I will discuss about study case 1. Question: You are assigned to set up a business and need to borrow a 20,000 loan for 5 years. There are two banks that you have surveyed for that loan. Below are the details of the bank. Alpha Bank 5.5% compounded every 4 months. Danish Bank 4.8% compounded quarterly. Calculate the total interest charge for each bank. So first, we will focus on Alpha Bank. We will using formula S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n. S equals 20,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.01833 close bracket power of 15. The answer is 26,265.12. To find the interest, we using formula I equals S minus P. I equals 26,265.12 minus 20,000. The answer is 6,265.12. For Danish Bank, we still using the same formula. S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket O of n. S equals 20,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.012 close bracket O of 20. The answer is 25,388.69. To find the interest, we also using formula I equals S minus P. I equals 25,388.69 minus 20,000. The answer is 5,388.69. Question B. Which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A, and give your reason? The answer: I will choose to borrow the loan from Danish Bank because the interest is lower than Alpha Bank interest. Question C. Answer the following question C depending on the bank you select in B. After 1 year and 6 months, the bank changed the rate to 7% compounded monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 4 years? Calculate the total interest paid. Answer: For the first year and 6 months, we will using formula S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n. S equals 20,000 open bracket 1 plus 0.012 close bracket power of n power of 6. The answer is 21,483.90. Next, for the remaining year, we will using formula S equals P open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n. S equals 21,483.90 open bracket 1 plus 0.00583 close bracket power of 30. The answer is 25,579.61. To find the interest, we will using formula I equals S minus P. I equals 25,579.61 minus 20,000. The answer is 5,579.61.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faiz and I will be continuing our session. So, let's move on to the study case 2. It is still about compounded interest. So, here is the question. Mr. Tan is planning to retire in soon. He has two options. Option 1, invest his 100,000 saving in account that earn 3% interest compounded annually. He can withdraw some money per year for the next 5 years. Option 2, joining a private retirement plan that earns 4% interest compounded annually. Under this plan, he will get 22,000 per year for the next 5 years. Now, let's move to question part A. Calculate the total amount of interest Mr. Tan will receive under each option. For option 1, we need to find the future value first. So, we will need to use the formula of S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N. S equal to 100,000, open bracket, 1 plus 0.03, close bracket, power of 5. The answer is 115927.40. Next, to find the interest, we will use the formula of I equal to S minus P. I equal to 115927.40 minus 100,000. So the answer is 15927.40. As for option 2, we will still using the same formula. S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N. 22,000 equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus 0.04, close bracket, power of N, power of 5. So, in the end, the answer is 18082.40. To find the interest, we will use the formula of I equal to S minus P. I equal to 22,000 minus 18082.40. The answer is 3,917.60. Next, question part B. Which option should Mr. Tan choose if he want to maximize his total return? Justify your answer. The answer is Mr. Tan should choose option 1 to maximize his return because option 1 is the highest interest than option 2. Next, question part C. Suppose the interest rate on the option 1 increased to 4%. How would this affect Mr. Tan's decision? Still using the same formula, S equal to P, open bracket, 1 plus I, close bracket, power of N. S equal to 100,000, open bracket, 1 plus 0.04, close bracket, power of 5. The answer is 121,665. Next, to find the interest, we will need to use the formula of I equal to S minus P. I equal to 121,665 minus 100,000. The answer is 21,665. So, Mr. Tan will probably choose this option 1 because he will get more benefit as much as 21,665 ringgit.
Hi, my name is Abrel Ival Enderick. I will continue the present topic, study case 2, about annuity. After retirement, Mr. Tan decides to purchase a car for 80,000 ringgits. He plans to make a down payment of 20% and finance the remaining amount over 5 years with a 5% compounded monthly. D. Calculate the monthly payment for the car loan. Firstly, the CP given is 80,000. To find DP, we need to times CP with 20%. So, DP equals to 80,000 in bracket 20%. The answer is DP equals to 16,000. Next, we need to find A. So, A equals to 80,000 minus 16,000. So, the answer is A equals to 64,000. Lastly, we will use formula A equals to R, open bracket, 1 minus in bracket 1 plus I power of negative n over I close bracket. So 64,000 equals to R open bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus 0.004176 power of negative 60 over 0.004167 close bracket. So 64,000 equals to R in bracket 52.99. So the answer is R equals to 1207.76.
E. If Mr. Tan pays off the loan after 3 years, how much interest will he save? We will using formula S equals R open bracket 1 plus I close bracket power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. S equals 1207.76 open bracket 1 plus 0.004167 close bracket power of 36 minus 1 over 0.004167. S equals 1207.76 open bracket 38.7533355 close bracket. The answer is 46,804.73. To find the I, we will using formula I equals S minus NR. I equals 46,804.73 minus 36 open bracket 1 207.76 close bracket. The answer is 3,325.37.
F. If Mr. Tan missed the first two monthly payments, how much will he owe on the third payment? So we need to use formula S equal to R open bracket in bracket 1 plus I power of n minus 1 over I close bracket. So S equal to 1207.76 open bracket 1 plus 0.004176 power of 3 over 0.004176 close bracket. So S equal to 1207.76 in bracket 3.012517.361. So the answer is S equal to 3,638.39.
That's all from us. Thank you.